Here we have a very nice antique pine wardrobe. This one dating from around about 1890. It's a nice looking piece, and like most of our wardrobes, it does totally dismantle for delivery, so easily taken upstairs into bedrooms and what have you. So you've got this cornice top with the rounded corners, as you can see there. We've got panelled sides, and the doors are also nicely panelled. Sides again, panels there. You've got these little shaped feet at the front. You've got, actually front and rear the same. Normally we have blocks at the rear, but they're matching the front. You have a fully working lock with a key, and the doors are fitted with external French style hinges, so the doors, as you can see, do open fully wide. You've got the lovely old original catches here, as you can see, long catches. We will fit a new brass hanging rail inside to hang your clothes, and again you've got space down the bottom to be putting shoes and what have you. The code for this one is R0957F. The price on the bare wood is £1,100, and if you'd like it wax polished, it's £1,225. It's 75 inches high, 61 inches wide. The external depth is 23 inches, and internally it's 19.5 inches, which is deep enough to be hanging large coats.